The outcome is 2.
Yeah. So they're just saying you have one possibility, that you want one possibility is the outcome of rolling a 2. That's the only thing you really want to happen, is a 2. And what's the probability of that happening? So 1 out of 6 shot. You get that? So here we're just trying to write the set, right? The space, even space, which is just has the one possibility of getting a 2.
You might have already said this, but we don't need to reduce the price.
No, not for this test. For your online homework, it looks like most of the online homework is having you put it into decimal form and telling you where to round. I don't like that. I like the fractions left unreduced.
Can you go ahead and explain the A given B and then B given A?
Sure. So if I'm looking for A given B, well, here we got the notation, right? A given B, right? B given A. If I'm looking for one of these, what we have to consider is the denominator. What I like is think about is the denominator. So we are talking about this set of rolling dice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my sample space, which we typically call S. But when we are given certain constraints, so when we're given B, B is the outcome is less than 4. So B is 1, 2, and 3. This space. So outcomes that I desire. A is what, the even numbers? Is that what this was?
Yeah. 2
2, 4, 6. All right, so I have 3 there as well. So if I'm looking for the probability of A given B, let me see, I don't have any colored shot, unfortunately. No. Is there one over there?
No, that's plain.
That's it, thought I saw blue or something. Going crazy. So I'm given B. So how many things do I have in B?
3.
3. I'm given B. I have 3 things in B, so I'm counting them up. That's my denominator. So the tricky part is finding that numerator. So how many things are there in A that are also in B? Right? Just that 2? Just one thing. Done.
That's mine. Okay, so doing what you've done there, and then you still want us to write it in the probability notation. Okay.
Sorry, go ahead, Joel.
Because I'm looking at how you wrote the answer. I wrote the answer like that. But you still want us to write put it in probability notation.
Yeah, so this is the set notation that we're looking for. This stuff, I wasn't exactly sure how to write this set. I think we would just write the set 2, and this would technically be our T outcome that we had up there, because 2 is the only thing. No. Yeah, I'm not sure how to
In the
write that
box,
set.
you have the probably A given B.
Yeah.
You want us to write it like that and then give the
Yeah.
actual, okay,
Yeah,
because that's what I missed.
that's the big thing. Yeah, this wasn't as good of an example as the next example, I think, where we were talking about the given conditions, but we're gonna talk more about this today, so, all right, so the given conditions. So I think last time, when I was talking to my Tuesday, Thursday class, I think they felt like they got it a lot more down after today's topic, so.
I just want to go back just a second.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm busy.
Okay.
So A or B, this 5 is not included in them.
Right, because 5 is in neither A nor B, right? That's the only technically, that's only the only number that's missing from those 2. So when I combine those 2, I take all the numbers from both, no repeats, right? All the numbers from both, and so 5 is the only thing that's missing. Okay. You almost? Anybody else need it? You can just give it to Emily. This, you're doing it too? Okay. An extra what?
Here, I
Pen?
have a gang of
What else do I want to say? Oh, you know what, while you're doing that, something I need from you all, is, basically I'm looking for people to take over, we need to start thinking about, sectional reviews and, right, chapter study guides as well. Another thing I was thinking about, if somebody's interested, if somebody thinks their cheat sheets are super awesome, I was hoping to get maybe some examples of a awesome cheat sheet that we can put up kind of thing. So for this test and also maybe for the past test. So this would go into your community participation stuff, right? So I know I got Valeria, you're supposed to be working on 2.7.
Yeah.
So, and then Jenny, you're supposed to be working on 3.1, section 3.1. So that's the review. That's where you essentially, you can go into the book, you can just pick problem kind of thing, just a good examples to cover that material from that section. And then you'll send it to me and I'll give it a thumbs up. When I give it a thumbs up, you can write solutions for it. So that's the idea of the reviews.
These also credit, like extra credit.
Yeah, these are for the community participation, so,
And
right,
then
you get 2, and that counts for the class, right, and then after that, you start getting extra credit. So, but if you've already done one, I'm trying to get everybody to try these out,
Oh,
these
okay.
things, so I'm gonna try and get other people to
Some
see the
other-
benefit of
Okay.
stuff.